Oh, so dark. Oh, no. Okay. Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing a Sephora unboxing. It's at night. It's after work, and it's actually early morning, and I have pretty much every light in my house on right now on the front. I'm trying to get good lighting because I don't want to do this outside. I don't want to wait, is what the problem is. Okay, so Sephora just had their spring sale. I needed some supplies. I needed some restock, so that's what we did. And there are a couple of new things, but we're going to start with the restock first. This got delivered while I was at work. I could not wait to go home. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. It took, okay, so I ordered this stuff. The sale started on April 21st. I get off work at 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. I ordered this stuff at like 5 o'clock in the morning on the 21st. It just got here today. It is the 2nd of May. Anyway, shipping delays with everything that's going on. First thing in the box, something I've been dying to try because I've heard good things about them from such a long time ago that they're just like, oh, there's just no way. And they're so soft, and I'll never use another cotton pad and blah blah blah. So I thought, you know what? They're on sale. They're not that expensive, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try them. And they are the Shiseido cotton. What are they called? Facial cottons by Shiseido. And I think this package was $12, and there's like 100 and whatever cottons in here, but it's just like a luxury cotton pad. We're just gonna try it. If I like them, I like them. I'll buy them again because they're not. I mean, it's not like cotton pads are that expensive or they're hard to find or whatever. It's just something to try. They're on. I mean, got 20% off or 15. So next thing is a restock. Why is this opened? Packaging. Makeup Forever Scentsy Eyes eye makeup remover. This is probably, I don't know, like my 6th one. I have no idea. This is my holy grail. I gotta move my phone. This is my holy grail product, and yeah, never gonna not have that. Next thing in the box is, oh yes. So this is I can't really call it a repurchase. It is a restock because my previous ones were samples. So I'm stocking it for the first time in a full size. And this is my Amore Pacific facial treatment, or what is it called? I should read that before I turn it to you, right? Treatment cleansing foam. So this is a cream that foams up, and you just need a very tiny amount. So as you know, if you have been watching my channel, for the 3 people that do, skincare is extremely important to me now, more so than makeup. I wear makeup, but not as frequently as I used to, and not to the level that I used to. Like, I stopped wearing foundation a long time ago, but I still don't do a whole lot of the other stuff. It's more about my skin. And I got this sample pack through Amore Pacific, and it came with this treatment gel, and I just put like a little teeny tiny bit, and it washes my face. Because I don't wear makeup, I feel like I don't need something super strong. Like, if you have been watching me for a while, you know I used to love the Glam Glow clay cleanser, the one in the white tube, because it really made my face feel clean. It got off all my makeup, and it felt great, and my skin always felt clean. I'm not against that. It's not like I don't like it anymore. It's just that I don't wear makeup like that anymore. So I don't feel like I need that level of purity, I guess, because this would do the same thing, just not in a clay. So, I mean, I might still go back and buy the Glam Glow. I still love it, because it does make my face feel clean, but this does too. So this is just something new that I'm trying. I have used both the samples. I'm actually almost done with the second little sample that I have of this, and it feels great. My face feels clean, and I like it. It's a little expensive, but I do like it. So this is my first time buying the full size, and we'll see how that goes once I go through all of this. This is 4.1 ounces, and the samples have lasted a really long time because you really do only need a little bit. Next thing are these. Oh, did I purchase this? Oh, yes. Okay. I thought they were samples, so I had to check. This one was something that was on sale. This is the Farsali Unicorn Antioxidant Lip Mask. Now, I bought this because I watched her, the girl that created this company, her and her husband. I watched her on YouTube, and I follow her on YouTube, and I haven't seen her videos in a while just because I haven't really been on YouTube like that. But when I realized she had like facial oils and stuff, I was like, oh, that's so cool. And then they were sold at Sephora, and then I saw other beauty gurus using them and raving about them and how wonderful they felt and blah blah blah. I was like, oh, that's really cool. I'm excited for her. I feel like, oh, I know her. Like I know who created that. That's really cool. Just like Makeup Geek. Like I followed Marlena for a long time, and I still do. But anyway, so when I saw this happens to be in the sales section at Sephora, and this is a lip mask. And if you know anything about me, I always have something on my lips. I have a lip balm, a lipstick, a lip gloss. My lips are hardly ever naked, except now at work because we have to wear masks every day. But this is a lip mask that you put on, and I can put this on when I go to bed. This packaging is really pretty. Unicorn antioxidant lip mask. I'm gonna say that it's iridescent. I don't know. Oh, I just broke the seal. I didn't even realize it was sealed until I just broke it. But it's pink. It's so pretty. And I'm sure it's going to tell me how to use it. I mean, how hard can it be to put on a lip mask, right? Vitamin C rich goji and acai extracts. Ooh. Antioxidant rich blueberry and elderberry support healthy collagen levels. Yay. Massage a generous layer over your lips before bed for a restorative overnight treatment. Yes. I'm so excited. I'm just going to just dab a little on right now. Shall we? Yes, we shall. I'm just rubbing it. It kind of has a scent, but not too bad. Because you don't want it to be super scented. You know, and in the picture, it was like gelatinous looking, like it was like a jelly. That feels good. I love a lip mask. I love a mask of anything that I can just put on and go to sleep. Anyway, the last thing that I purchased in the box. Oh, wait, no, sorry. Lying. This is the Sephora HYA. Oh, I need to read the English side. Hyaluronic acid and brightening eye cream. Okay. This is an eye cream because I need one. I'm really trying to work on these dark circles that have gotten darker because of my sleep schedule has been really messed up because I've been working and having 3 days off. So yeah. Oh, this video is getting kind of long. I know Dad's not going to watch this. Okay. This is just an eye cream. And, ooh. I don't want to, I like have so much light on right now. It's hard to get a little bit of a scent, kind of medicine-y-ish. This was only $17. This is a generous amount of eye cream for $17. 97% ingredients from natural origin. Oh, that's really hydrate and depuff. It also said something about dark circles, which is why I bought it. I know they're probably never going to go anywhere, but I mean, whatever I can do to help them not get worse, that's what we're going to do. Okay, now, the last thing that I purchased, if you follow me, which, 3 people that do, I have a face cream and moisturizer that I use that I am absolutely in love with. It is my holy grail of moisturizers. It is probably the best moisturizer I have ever used in my entire life. Yeah, probably, because I'm buying it again and it's expensive. The one that I used before that I really liked was I can't remember it. But anyway, it was also very good, but it was only online, which kind of was frustrating. Shea butter. It was a shea butter moisture thing, but not through the Shea Moisture line. Anyways, it was also really good. And I probably would buy that again. But at times, I think I may have put it on too thick and it made my skin react a certain way. So anyway, said all that to say that my Fresh Lotus face cream, I am almost out of. I am like dabbing the bottom of that thing, the bottom of that jar, like nobody's business. But when the sale started, like I told you, I was on the website at 5 o'clock in the morning. When that sale started, that stuff was sold out. My face cream was sold out. Do you know how broken my heart was? So I was like, okay, I don't want to buy the small one because I feel like that's not a really good use of my money. Even though it would be a 15% off, I'm not getting as much, and I'm paying more for the small one. You see, I don't like that. So I thought, okay, Fresh, I know you guys have kits, so I'm gonna find a kit that has my moisturizer in it, and then I'll get like a good deal. So then Fresh, of course, had the cutest Rose Deep Hydration Skincare Set. Thankfully, they have it on the back of the box, so I can just read it to you while I'm showing you all this goodness. Okay. She is also sealed, and I had a box cutter, and I left it over there on the couch. So, one sec, because you know I don't edit, and I don't want you to see me in all my pajamas. Plus, I had to like turn off the light. There's just too many lights. Okay. This box is the cutest. The absolute cutest. Okay. Aww. So what came in this package? The moisturizer that I buy is is $48. I think this package, this kit was $69. I don't think they put prices on this invoice. But I think this kit was $69. It wasn't $100. I know that. Because the last kit I bought was like $105 or something like that. This kit was a pretty good deal, if I do say so myself. Thank you, Sephora. I do say so. Purchase history. Okay. Yeah. $65. I was pretty close. So this kit was $65. Now what I did was, to justify why I'm spending $65 instead of $48 for just getting the moisturizer, is I went through and I priced everything in this kit. This is a full size really? Okay. Very well packaged. Nothing is falling out of there. This is a full size, and I'm still stuck getting it. You know what? YOLO. This is a full size moisturizer. This moisturizer by itself retails for, I think, $48. Let me just go through Fresh. This moisturizer, oh, yeah, $42. This moisturizer retails for $42. This mini bottle of the toner retails for, I think, $19. Oh, crap. Okay. Yes, I'm sorry. The mini size, which is sold out, retails for $25. This is the same size, the 3.3 ounce. 3.3 ounce. This is a full size 1.6 ounce moisturizer. So almost 2 ounces, well, a little more than an ounce and a half. This is also a full size face wash, I believe. 1.6 ounces of the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. That retails for the mini size, which is the 1.6. Oh, this is the mini size. I apologize. The mini size retails for $15. This. And this rose face mask, which I love. I have yet to buy a full-size rose face mask because I keep getting things that have the little mini in it. So the rose face mask mini, 3.3. The mini size is 1 ounce, and that retails for $25. And this is, I think, like half an ounce. So let's just say it retails for $12.50. Okay, so just these two products, I have made my money back for this whole kit. Fresh does a really good job of giving you a great deal on their kits. Always, always, always. There's never been a time I've been disappointed, like, it's not a good deal. Yeah, it is. It always, always, always is. Okay, so this is not the hydration. This is not the moisturizer, but I am going to try it. This is really in here. Like, I can't even get it out. And I want to get the moisturizer out because I haven't used it and I want to touch it. But anyway, I'm going to leave it in there because I'm just not going to struggle with that. I'm just going to end up cutting it up. So, thank you so much for watching. They are calling me from work. I have to go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed week. Peace.